Despite their widespread popularity, 4x4 vehicles are often subject to various misconceptions and myths. These myths influence perceptions about their capabilities and suitability for different driving conditions. In reality, unlocking the full potential of 4x4 vehicles requires a clear grasp of their capabilities and constraints. That said, here are some common 4x4 myths debunked. Dispelling these myths will provide a more accurate understanding of what these vehicles truly offer to drivers and enthusiasts alike. Debunking common myths about 4x4 vehicles. 4x4 vehicles are popular for several reasons. They offer enhanced traction and stability, making them well-suited for off-roading and rough terrains. Additionally, such vehicles have now become quite versatile, offering advanced technology features and improved fuel efficiency. However, there are many myths about 4x4 that people need to stop believing. We have compiled a list of these misconceptions and how one must steer clear of them. Here are 8 common 4x4 myths debunked. Myth number 1, all 4 tires should spin when the 4x4 gets stuck. Contrary to popular belief, when a 4x4 gets stuck, it's not beneficial for all 4 tires to spin simultaneously. This sometimes worsens the situation by digging the vehicle deeper into the obstacle and wasting engine power. Instead, use a differential lock or traction control system with techniques like rocking the vehicle. It is more effective in freeing the car from obstruction. In addition, to get a car out of the sand, it is crucial to pack the essential accessories. These include items such as traction mats, tire pressure gauges, and 2 straps. Myth number 2, all-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive are the same thing. One prevalent misconception is that all-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive systems are interchangeable terms. However, they differ in functionality. All-wheel drive systems operate automatically, distributing power to all 4 wheels as needed for enhanced traction on various road conditions. On the other hand, 4-wheel drive systems are designed primarily for off-road use. They provide equal power to all 4 wheels simultaneously to tackle more challenging terrains. Myth number 3, no need to deflate tires when driving off-road. Another common misconception about 4x4 vehicles is that there's no need to air down tires when driving off-road. In reality, reducing tire pressure is effective in boosting traction off-road. It enlarges the tire's contact patch with the ground, enhancing grip significantly. However, it's crucial to strike a balance and avoid overdeflation, which can lead to tire damage. Setting the off-roading tire pressure optimizes traction while safeguarding tire integrity, ensuring a safer and more proficient journey. Myth number 4, bigger tires need more power to move. Upsizing tires can introduce weight and rolling resistance, potentially diminishing fuel efficiency and acceleration. Nonetheless, they offer increased vehicle ground clearance and traction, advantageous for off-road ventures. Plus, when opting for larger tires, consider regearing the axles to offset the added weight and rolling resistance. It will ensure optimal performance. Myth number 5, wire winch cable is stronger. Contrary to widespread assumption, thick steel cables on winches aren't always the strongest choice. Synthetic winch cables, made from advanced materials like Dyneema, are stronger, lighter, and easier to manage. They offer a significant safety advantage as they fray rather than snap like steel cables, which can become hazardous projectiles. Additionally, synthetic cables resist rust and extreme temperatures better. Myth number 6, narrow tires are better suited than wide tires in mud. Narrow versus wide tires are often debated in 4x4 vehicles. However, wider tires are generally preferred for tackling mud due to 2 key advantages they offer. Firstly, they distribute the vehicle's weight over a larger area. Secondly, the increased contact patch of wider tires provides more grip on the muddy surface. These benefits of flotation and grip make wider tires a superior option for muddy conditions, ensuring better traction and reducing the risk of getting stuck. Myth number 7, taller suspension means more travel. One of the common myths about 4x4 that people need to stop believing is that taller suspension means more height. Suspension travel, crucial for handling uneven terrain without bottoming out, depends on factors beyond height. Besides, taller suspensions achieved through wheel spacers or lifted coil springs often don't inherently enhance travel distance. In some cases, they might even limit it. Myth number 8, a colder thermostat yields more power. One of the common 4x4 myths debunked is that a colder thermostat doesn't increase power. Instead, it can harm engine performance. Engines operate best within specific temperature ranges. When a colder car thermostat is installed, it disrupts the air-fuel mixture, leading to incomplete combustion and decreased power. Additionally, it may require more fuel, reducing fuel economy. Is a taller or wider tire better? The tire's effectiveness varies with the types of off-roading terrains. Wider tires excel in mud and sand, while taller ones are preferred for rock crawling. Ultimately, the ideal width depends on off-road pursuits. What are the must-have essentials for off-roading in a 4x4 vehicle? Some of the essential off-roading accessories include recovery gear, traction aids, navigation tools, and a first aid kit. What do you need to know about 4x4 vehicles? You must understand the capabilities, maintenance requirements, and safety considerations for driving 4x4 cars and trucks. These were some of the most common 4x4 myths debunked. These vehicles embody ruggedness, making them a sound choice for off-road enthusiasts and those craving exploration beyond conventional roads. Thank you for the attention and have a nice day.